Okay, so here's something just quickly that you should really stop doing, and that is combining steps. Let's say we're given a problem of 3 times 6 plus 2. We want to know what that equals. Okay, well, let's do this then. 3 times 6 is 18. And then we'll add 2 and we'll get 20 because 18 plus 2 is 20. Look good? No, that doesn't look good. Is the answer 20? Yes, it is. However, that equals sign. Ask yourself, what does that actually mean? It means is equal to or is the same as. So what this is now saying, when we write it all like this, what we're saying is 3 times 6 is the same as 18 plus 2, which is the same as 20. 18 plus 2 is the same as 20, but 3 times 6 is not. Okay, so when we have two equal signs like this, we could actually get rid of that middle guy and just read it as 3 times 6 equals 20, and that is not correct because what we've done is combined steps. Don't do that. Simply split it up, do them one at a time. If we want to correctly solve this, what we would do is say, okay, well, 3 times 6, I know that one, that's 18, grand. So far, I'm at 18, but then I need to add another 2. So I take my 18 that I'm currently at, and I add 2, and I get my final answer of 20. This is, of course, correct. 3 times 6 plus 2 is equal to 20. Okay, but there were 2 steps to do. First, we had to do the multiplication, and then we had to do the addition. Okay, so you need to stop combining steps, because if you write it all on one line and just say that 3 times 6 equals 18 plus 2 equals 20, no, that's not right. 3 times 6 does not equal 18 plus 2. So don't start that second step as a continuation all on one line. Okay, let's just do one more example. Maybe the problem is asking you to find 3/4 of, what shall we say, 64. The problem wants you to find out 3/4 of 64. Well, of in maths just means times, doesn't it? So really it's 3/4 times 64. Okay, so there are 2 parts to this, the part with the 3 and the part with the 4. Let's do the part with the 4 first. We can divide by 4. So let's do that. 64 divided by 4, well, that equals 16. And then, of course, we have to do the times 3 part as well. So times 3, and 16 times 3 is 48. And that's our final answer. Now, the final answer, 3/4 of 64, is 48. But what we've written is not correct, because this is essentially saying that 64 divided by 4 is the same as 48. No, it isn't. 64 divided by 4 is the same as 16. And that's it. That's where we should have stopped, right? And then started our second part separately. So I really hope you see what I'm saying, that 64 divided by 4 is equal to 16 times 3. No, it's not. It's equal to 16. It's not equal to 16 times 3. Right, so what we need to do is take that second part and do it somewhere else. So we've got our first part done. 64 divided by 4 equals 16. Now that we've got that 16, we can take it and times it by 3 and come out with our answer of 48. That is our final answer. That is the correct answer. But we've done it in 2 steps, and we've kept those steps separate. That's what you need to do. What you need to stop doing is combining steps. It often doesn't work out because 64 divided by 4 is not equal to 16 times 3. And with the other example, 3 times 6 is not equal to 18 plus 2. So keep separate steps separate, and you'll be grand. Well, that's the video done. If you liked it, brilliant. Hit the like button and leave me a comment too. Now you know what to do. Go hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.